Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy a domain on IONOS using the latest professional acquisition workflow. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to secure their studio-level identity and technicality centralize their latest market assets under one high-end authoritative URL. Let's get into it. First, access the high-end domain search gateway. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your professional brand discovery. You need to enter the central technical hub where IONOS manages the latest global domain registries. Navigate to the ionos.com homepage and locate the high-end search bar prominently displayed in the center of the screen. Technicality, type in your desired studio name and click the check or search button to verify its availability. In the latest standards, this gateway is the professional starting point for all digital property. Navigating here, Technicality prepares your workspace for high-end asset selection, ensuring your latest identity is unique and optimized for the latest market reach. Next, initialize the Technical Asset Selection Protocol. To ensure your latest market presence is technicality accurate, you must choose the specific high-end extension that fits your professional studio configuration. Review the technical list of available extensions such as .com, .net, or specialized latest top-level domains. Once you find the perfect match, Technicality, click the Add to Cart button to secure your professional choice. Proper extension mapping is a professional standard. Technicality ensures your studio brand carries the high-end weight required for latest industry recognition, allowing for professional growth and efficient technicality in your future latest marketing flows. Verify the professional acquisition and launch. The final step is the technical verification of your latest domain purchase to ensure your professional studio identity is technicality perfect. Review the technical order summary to confirm the high-end domain name and price, then click Buy Now or Complete Order. Access your high-end IONOS dashboard to technicality verify that your new domain is active and ready for latest professional deployment. This final check is a mechanical necessity for latest professional success. Once the purchase is technicality complete, your high-end studio domain is live, allowing you to dominate the latest market with a professional, secure online address. And that's pretty much it. To buy a domain in the latest version, go to ionos.com, technicality search for your name, and add it to your cart. Select high-end add-ons for security, click Create New Account, and verify your payment details before you technicality complete the order. This professional workflow ensures your studio identity is optimized and high-end for the latest market. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.